Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now, park on level ground, set the parking brake, turn ignition off, and remove the key. First, identify your gear knob type, clip, screw, or threaded, because removal methods differ. Once done, lay a cloth over the console to protect surfaces and unplug any nearby 12V sockets. Use a trim tool to gently pry surrounding trim if needed. Make small movements to avoid breaking plastic. Keep screws and clips in a small container so parts don't get lost. Now tackle the mechanical connection. If it's clip-on, depress the retaining clip and pull straight up while feeling for resistance. Don't yank. For screw-type knobs, hold the shaft steady and rotate the knob counterclockwise to avoid stressing the linkage. If there's a set screw or bolt, use the correct hex or 10 mm socket to remove it, then slide the knob off. As you work, keep track of any spacers or washers. These control height and feel, so store them in order for reassembly. Fit the replacement by aligning it on the shaft and reinstalling any spacers in the same sequence, then secure with the screw or clip specific to your model. Once installed, reconnect any electrical leads for lights or buttons and snap trim back in place, applying even pressure. Make sure screws are snug but not over-torqued to avoid stripping. Finally, start the car and cycle through park, reverse, neutral, and drive to confirm smooth movement. If binding occurs, loosen and reseat the knob. Check for
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.